Yo, what up, family? What up, man? It's your boy Chart Plug, man. I'm back. You already know how he does, man. It's your boy CP. I call myself CP sometimes, you know what I mean? So yeah, let's get to it, man. Last week's analysis was kind of like pretty bad. Like I haven't told you guys on the Telegram channel that they didn't play out quite well, but I managed to give you guys other analysis. For example, like USDs are, GBP, JPY, and the likes. So yeah, but anyway, let's go back to what we normally do, and that's Euro USD, USD JPY, and gold. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, let me just remove this. All right, let's go first on the weekly. See how the week played out. Okay, well, we sort of had like a bearish candle, and then also if you bear that in mind, if I zoom out here, you see this area here. It's an area of resistance. This area here. Let me put in the okay, let's go. Yeah, let me move it that side. Yeah, so basically, whoa, this green area is an area of resistance, right? You guys see that? So yeah, so so we need to be fully aware of what may happen in the next few couple of days. All right, and then we get to now the daily. Okay, well, what I see is, let me see. Well, I still believe we're still on the upward trend, up until we manage to break. So I say like to break this red line. Then I may say now the change of trend is. I mean the trend has changed to bearish. But at the moment, I still think we're bullish. Because we still have some support here. So as long as we break, at the time when we break this support, then I'll say that now we're starting to become bearish. But at the meantime, we're still bullish. So yeah, let's go. Daily looks bullish. You know what I'm saying? We'll get to what's this? My favorite 4 hour. All right. It's the 4 hour. It's the 4 hour one. Okay, this is the 4 hour chart, right? So what do we see? Well, I still believe we're bullish. You know what I mean? I still believe we're bullish, but I see like a tweezer top right here, right? I see like a tweezer top. So what I believe may happen is because I see a double top at the top there, and look at this. I drew my pink. You see this pink or purple line here? I drew it. It broke out of it, and I'm thinking maybe this could be like a retest of the line. You know what I mean? And then maybe price may continue coming down, but I wouldn't say so just yet. I'm trying to see the structures that we have in place here for Euro USD. Hey man, you gotta think, man. You don't just come here and just do analysis. You have to think. All right. I'm so lost right now, but I'm gonna do what I do best, and that's not be lost. So yeah, okay. I believe this price may come down. Let me do them lines. I believe price may come to this support, to this support, maybe tomorrow or Tuesday. You know what I believe, and then maybe so let me use what price action gives me. I actually believe we're gonna have this break of this line. You know what I mean? I actually believe so. So let me just extend this. I believe the USD will get a a bit strong this week. I don't know, but so like what's gonna happen is price looks like price action is coming down up until this support right here. So now if it breaks this support, it's going to retest, right? And then after it retests, that's if it breaks, then I may expect the price to fall down here. That's what I expect. Price to fall down here if it breaks this red line, this red trend line. But also again, this support may hold because it looks like it's a nice strong support because of the previous because of the previous price action and how it displays itself. So maybe we may have a like a bounce off to the top there. To the top there. So I believe that for Euro USD, if the red trend line doesn't break, then I believe that we may still be bullish. That's what I believe 100% for Euro USD. But also again, looking at things, you need to be very careful of where the price is right now. You know what I mean? Because you don't want to get caught up in this move. I mean, like in the middle of this consolidation. So I believe that, to be honest, I believe that price needs to come back to the support, to the blue support, then continue its longs. That's what I believe. So, but okay, yeah. Let me show you how. Let me put in dotted lines and everything. So yeah. But I believe price will come back and retest. I mean, and best probably just bounce off and continue going higher. Yes, that's what I believe for Euro USD. But also have room for the other buyers, So yeah, then we get to gold. Gold. I'll try to be loud. Sorry about that. We in gold right now, man. Let me start off with the weekly. Okay. Weekly close, very, very much bearish engulfing. Too much even. Like, hey, it's out here bearish engulfing us, man. Like, it's engulfing the previous week. So bearish engulfing indicating shorts, right? I'm gonna get to the daily. The daily is also indication shorts because this looks like an invalidation level on top here by 1350. So it looks like maybe that could be an invalidation level. So yeah, then we get to so for me it looks a bit, it looks I'd say bearish to me on the daily. Then you get to the monthly, the 4 hour. So now check this out. I managed to draw my pink trend line. You see that trend line there going up. Let me fix this. Up. So now this is where we are right now. So what do I believe is gonna happen? Okay, let me just. Okay, what I believe is gonna happen is, you see, if you see this area right here, let me. You see this area right, like on my trend line, just right here. It's a very important area, just right here. If it breaks, then I may believe price will come down to 1300. So now let me do that. 1300. It may come down to 1300. That's what I believe. 100% believe it. But also, I basically have room for it to bounce back. Then maybe if it bounces on this line, then you may see longs up until then. So basically right now So basically, right now is price action is looks like it's a bit indecisive right now. But I believe that we are about to like about to get a clear answer of what exactly we may do. You know, should I say like what exactly we may do for the upcoming week, right? Also, again, you know, let me show you guys something. So like if I take this top, right? You know, also again, you know, the reason why I'm saying this is I'm not sure what exactly happened, because maybe also price, you know, broke out of this, then it's coming to retest, then it may continue its longs. You know what I mean? So that's why maybe I'm saying that it's actually at a very critical zone. So we may need to open our eyes to see what exactly we may expect to happen right here. So yeah, that's my bias for this one. That it looks like it may break and then fall down to 1300, but just be sure, you know, and have your analysis ready and everything ready, so that when it happens, you're not caught off guard, and then you just basically do what you gotta do. We get to what is this? USD JPY. Oh my god. Oh my god, these ugly ass wicks, man. Okay, let's get to the weekly. Weekly is looking beautiful. This is like a big bullish engulfing candle right here. It's too big, man. Big bullish engulfing, indicating ESD longs. But you know, we just need to be fully aware and probably just watch everything. But yeah, it's, you know, right, I'm not gonna, like, right now it looks so choppy, super choppy right now. You know what I mean? Especially right here, it is very choppy right here. But I mean, that's not gonna stop me from actually choosing like a direction. So I'm gonna get to the 4 hour. Right. Okay. Let me zoom out. Yeah. All right. Okay. For this one right here, for this USD JPY, there's a lot of USD. Also, there's a lot of news going on with the USD. You know, for example, Trump and his boy from North Korea, they're out here fighting with each other, man. Like, I don't really know what's going on with them, you know, throwing bombs at each other and everything. But we'll see how it goes. You know what I mean? But USD is, I mean, yeah, like the US and JPY, especially USD JPY, it's very fundamentally driven. You know what I mean? So it's a very I would say hard, not hard, but it's advisable for you not to trade it, because technicals may say a different story from the fundamentals, right? So yeah, so you have to be very careful about trading USD JPY, as you can see. You know, it's not looking good. But yeah, okay. Let me extend this. Okay, yeah, there you go. Let go. Okay, so this is what this is what I'm gonna say. If at all we break this blue resistance, then I expect, you know, if at all we break and close above this blue resistance, then I expect price to come up until 112. To be honest, as long as we close and break above 1111, then I believe price is going to go to 112, 100%. But if that doesn't happen, then we're gonna have our little shortfall, or should I say downfall from here up until here. But it won't move straight, you know. It will probably be just going up and down, basically going up, confusing you guys, so you guys run away, and then it goes your way. So yeah, I'll basically try and explain like when I upload these analysis as a picture, but if you watch this video, then you already know what's going on, you know what I mean. So you basically know when to buy and when to sell, you know what I mean. So yeah, we'll just basically look out for Monday and see how everything goes. So let's see how the week is looking like. Monday we don't have any high impact news. That's awesome. Tuesday we have AUD and building permits. That's it. Oh my God, we have FOMC this week. Oh my God, yeah, looks like we have FOMC this week, man. So USD, it is not gonna respect my analysis. I know it, but you know, market maker is basically a response to what I do, so he'll do best. Thursday we have JPY is lit. It's lit. So yeah, and then also we have New Zealand GDP, and then we have USD unemployment claims. Friday we got Canadian news and New Zealand news. So I think we all good except for the FOMC, man, because it's gonna be lit on Wednesday. That's all I'm gonna say. So if you're gonna be away on Wednesday, you're gonna miss out. Otherwise, thank you, family. See you guys next week. Peace.